In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively find a seller on DHgate using Google. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or just getting started, these steps will help streamline your journey toward finding the right products from your desired seller. Let's dive into it. First things first, we're going to start by opening your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other you like. Once your browser is open and you're ready to go, navigate to the search bar, which is usually at the top of your screen. Here, type in Google and hit enter. This will take you straight to the world's most popular search engine, where you'll conduct your search. Now let's go to DHgate. DHgate is a well-known online marketplace that connects buyers with sellers, mostly from China, offering a range of products at wholesale prices. What you want to do here is to find a specific seller and see all the products they offer under the DHgate umbrella. Once you're on the Google homepage, you should see the search box right in the center of the page. In that search box, type the name of the seller you're looking for. It's helpful to know that entering the seller's name accurately will yield the best results, allowing you to find their store and offerings more efficiently. After typing the seller's name, simply hit the Enter key on your keyboard. This will quickly bring up a list of search results. What you're seeing now are web pages that mention that seller's name, among which are likely products listed by the seller on DHgate. You want to look for links that take you directly to DHgate listings. It's important to note while browsing the results that the direct links to DHgate are your best bet for accuracy. This is because third-party websites might occasionally appear, but focusing on the DHgate links ensures you're seeing authentic seller listings. Once you click on one of these DHgate links, you'll be taken to a page where only the products from your chosen seller are displayed. This curated view makes it easier to browse their entire catalog, helping you evaluate all available options conveniently. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated using Google to find products from a specific seller on DHgate. If you need to conduct similar searches for other sellers in the future, simply follow these same steps. Remember, the key to finding exactly what you want is in how accurately you input the seller's name in Google. Give it a try, and you'll soon become a pro at sourcing items from the comfort of your home. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy shopping.